Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Vasa Olga, and today I am filming a row of some tutorials. I have a box from Beauty Babe. My review number 3 is going to be about this gorgeous and amazing OPV London Rainbow Splash palette. I've never heard of this brand before. Created and formulated in United Kingdom, but made in HK, and I think HK is Hong Kong, but I'm not sure. It cost me about $25 per one palette. It is kind of like a cupboard pan, and inside you have a plastic protector. I love almost every single shade from this palette. So the smell, well, I guess this is the smell of an eyeshadow palette. Nothing fruity, nothing sweet. So I love the package. It's a cupboard I've mentioned before. This is so pretty. It has some kind of like magnet inside, and I guess that's it. Right now, let's go to some swatches. All the links are going to be listed down below, and we'll see how it performs, how it blends. And let's just get started from this row. So the first color, it's Eclipse. Wow, I love the softness of the shades. They're so silky. Gosh. Oh my god, this is more like wet kind of like texture, and this is dry but silky as well, gleamed. I'd say that it's nice. I mean, I really like how this kind of like glittery shade performed. This one is a little bit more kind of like, it's still not enough for me, because I'm gonna dive into this eyeshadow palette one more time and see. Yeah, that's better. So they're pigmented. Yeah, pigmented enough, I would say. Nothing extraordinary, but I love this shades. I mean, I guess you can see the difference between Eclipse and Motley, because these two are, this one is more kind of like pinky, this is more like velvety. Wow, I love the shimmery shades. They're so pigmented and it feels really nice. All the colors really soft and silky. Oh my god, and look at them. Wow, look at them. I love these shades. So my next thing here to do is Dream, Atlantis, Royal, and Subtle. Next row. They're so kind of like nice. Okay, Dream, Atlantis, Royal, and Subtle. Such a great payoff. I love the shades. They're super pretty. So my next color, it's oh my god, Fantasy Storm. I love the Storm. Satin and Flame. Look at this. Look at this shimmerness. Look at these shades. They're so pretty. So I prime my lid. Today I did my foundation first, that's why I'm gonna use this kind of like paper. Okay, at first I'm gonna dive into this dream color. Oh gosh, this is so pretty. And I'm gonna use this mirror. Oh gosh. Oh god. Oh my god. So I barely touched the shade with my brush, and look how pigmented it is. Okay, what kind of like a brush? I'm gonna go with my BH brush, crease brush, and I guess color what? Storm. Color Storm. Oh my god. This is one of my favorite eyeshadow palettes. I'm not lying. Look at this. Just look at this. So this color is a little bit kind of like lighter on my lids than in the pen, but it's okay. So we can work this. Don't worry, you can grab the same color, Dream, and apply this over the shade. Next color, it's, I guess, Spectrum. So, okay, this is a little bit lighter color. You know, you can definitely see the difference, but not a huge one. With the same Storm color that we used for crease, I want to create some sort of like a line. A little bit darker shade. And then Storm kind of like blending it out. And at first I want to use a dry brush, this Camera color. And I'm more than sure that it's pressed pigment. And yeah, it looks kind of like nice, but definitely I want to see something more pigmented. Yes, it looks nice. I mean, definitely you can see the color, you can see the thing, but it's not super pigmented. That's why I want to dive into some water and then with a wet brush see what the heck. Yeah, that's better. That's better. Okay, don't be shy. Okay, last but not the least step is to apply a little bit of this spring kind of like black color in the corner to create a wing. So I guess as you can see, the blendability is good. A wet brush, because it's perfect. It's a full perfection. Create a line. Back to the palette. Okay, I'm gonna start with this Illusion color. So first impression, Illusion and Dream colors are super close to each other. I'd say that they're almost the same. I guess we're gonna do some sort of like a cut crease, why not? So my next shade to pick is Glint, creating a line. Grab this Frosty shade. It goes on. Okay, with the same illusion color and a little bit smaller kind of like crease brush. I want to make sure that it looks nicely blended. So with a flat brush, any flat brush you can grab, and some kind of like beige color, I want to set this concealer. And now take a guess, Utopia, and a little bit of this satin color, but I want to use a wet brush. No, I changed my mind. I want to add a little bit of this eclipse color as well. Yeah, so pretty. And of course the satin color that we tried to use before, but it didn't go well. A little bit of an intense shade. This is more intense. Illusion and Dream mixed together a little bit underneath. Okay, I'll do my line of the camera, coat lashes with mascara, and I'll be right back. Okay guys, what do you think? I'm not proud of my left eye because it looks a little bit kind of like it's not my style. Guys, this concludes my third part of a review video because I am super tired. I've been recording this kind of like session, like film session, for about 3 or 4 hours. I offer you 2 different makeup looks from this eyeshadow palette, and I hope you like it. If you do, then please let me know in the comments. Subscribe to my channel, click the notification bell, and I guess I'm gonna see you in my next video that's gonna be uploaded really soon. Bye bye.